Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have given the mock test of RBI assistant which was live in Olive Board. So today I have given the mock test and this is the live mock test from Olive Board, and my marks is like this, that 80.5. I have attempted 83 questions and two questions went wrong here in the reasoning part, which was unexpected. And this is my rough work uh, from here, and this is the reasoning part. So result will be announced after 7 p.m. This is it for this.